Hey guys, Sheila here from Media Vandals. It is day 2 of my vacation and I decided to take care of a little problem I've been having with my Mini Cooper. Now, I had my battery replaced back in February under CAA, and it turns out the battery was bad, so they had to replace it again in March. Now we are into October and my second battery replacement is also as bad as the first. So I gave CAA a call this morning and they were going to come out and replace the battery. CAA has a really good warranty program for their batteries. But it turns out, living in Port Hope, I used up all of the batteries that were available through CAA. So I have now taken a ride into Oshawa and I am sitting in the Chapters Indigo parking lot at the Oshawa Center, waiting for CAA to show up and replace my battery again. Hopefully third time's a charm and this battery sticks, because as fun as it is to take a drive half an hour away to replace your battery, it's not something that I want to keep doing. On the plus side, I love reading and I am right near Chapters Indigo, so while I'm waiting for the battery guys to show up and replace my battery, I'm gonna go buy some books. So day 2, got out of the house, getting a battery, getting some books. Let's see what day 3 brings. Hope everyone's having a great day and we'll chat with you soon. Cheers.